G'day YouTube viewers, just doing a little short video of the latest exhaust upgrade on the Mustang. This is just a 2017 stock GT 5.0. The exhaust done was just a replacement of the center muffler with a H pipe, and the axle back mufflers are replaced with straight through resonators. And it hasn't changed the performance at all. Still the same thing, but she's got a nice note. So just for the time being, I'll just post a interior sound of it. And I'll get the start button. It's a little bit noisier than what it used to be inside the cabin, but still bearable, except at low RPM. She's got a little bit more resonating and very deep. I'll just head out now. Just an automatic. Put the window down a little bit, I suppose. Chuck her in sports mode. Yeah, the Coyote never disappoints. Like, you know, you're talking a stock 5 litre with around, what I think, about 420 horsepower. Unmodified. But yeah, it's like I said, hasn't changed the performance of the car at all. Hasn't made it faster, slow, or anything like that. A nice note. I don't think it's illegal or anything, but I suppose if I get pulled up, the cops soon let me know. But I mean, the two rear resonators look like mufflers, even though they're straight through pretty much. Give a little rev under the bridge here, like we always do. I just love the way this thing goes down the gears in sports mode. Does a little rev and changes back like as if it's a manual. Well, I don't mind the manuals, but and if you want instant gear changes and that extra oomph without having to worry about clutching, auto's the way to go. And the 10-speed in the model after this is even more insane. But anyway, I hope this has helped out a little bit in case you decide to do the same sort of exhaust setup. Cheers.